What is going on YouTube? Welcome to the Ranify channel. This video is about a drag race between these four drones here. And we have four drones here. The Mavic 2, the Hubsan Zino, the Air 2, and the Fimi X8 2018. So we're going to get into a 400-meter drag race, or is equivalent to the quarter-mile drag race. So let's get into it. Boom. Okay.
Refresh the return point. Please mind the return position.
Okay, I'm going to sit here for a little bit. Alright, this is the Hubsan Zino 2. We're going to do the Hubsan Zino 2. Okay, so now I'm in expert mode. And I'm coming back.
Okay, I'm at 400 now. There we go.
On your mark,
Come straight back.
get set, go.
Go.
"16 meters a second, 18 meters a second, 18.7, 18.8, 19 meters a second. I'm a little off course. That's okay. Ready? Stop. Wow, that thing was moving, man. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, so the next guy to fly is going to be the Fimi X8 SE. And this is the 2018 version. Not the 2020, but the 2018 version. Okay? Alright guys, so here's the deal. We just finished doing this drag race between these 4 drones. I'm not sure really who won, but I can tell you this, that the top 2 is going to be the Mavic 2 or the Air 2. So between these 2 drones are going to be the winners. Until I get into the office and look at the analytics, I believe that's going to be the winner. And then these guys came in really close behind the Air 2 guys. These actually could be beating the Air 2, I'm not sure, but it's a tight race. So anyway. Alright guys, please note how long it takes for the drones to get to maximum speed. It looks like about 8 seconds. The results are going to surprise you here. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison, and you guys will be able to see who came in first, second, and third. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you like the contents of the channel, smash that subscribe button, guys. Give me some love back. Alright, guys. Here's the results. As usual guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, boom, hit that subscribe button guys. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in future videos. Bye bye.